Hi guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can be able to delete a WhatsApp group even if you're not a WhatsApp admin. Even if you're not an admin of the WhatsApp group, I will show you how you can do that right away. So if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. The first step you have to take is to open up your WhatsApp account, and you can do that by tapping on your WhatsApp. So let me open up my WhatsApp. So once your WhatsApp opens up, what you have to do now is to select the WhatsApp group that you want to delete. As you can see right here, the first three chats right there are three WhatsApp group. So I can decide to delete the three of them if I want. So the first step you have to take in order to delete a WhatsApp group is to first of all select the WhatsApp group. So you can do that by having a long press on the WhatsApp group. So let me make a long press on the name right there. You can see right there I've selected it. You can decide to select another group. Let me select the second group right there. You can see I've selected the second group. Then let me select the third group by tapping on it. You can see I've selected the third group. So now for me to delete all these groups from my WhatsApp account, all I have to do now is to tap on where you can see delete. You can see it right there at the top. You can see the delete icon. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see what's written there, delete three chats. That means you're going to be deleting all the chats from this WhatsApp group. You can see what's written there as well. It says also delete media received in this chat from the device gallery. So if you want to delete all the media you received from this WhatsApp group, if you want to delete it from your phone gallery, just tick that box right there. Let me tick it so you see it. You can see it now by ticking that box. All the gallery, all the pictures, the images that you receive from these WhatsApp groups, they're going to be deleted from your gallery. That's what it means. But I don't want that, so let me just uncheck it. Then let me tap on delete chats. Let me tap on it right there. You can see it right there on the right hand side. Wow guys, can see the three WhatsApp groups has been deleted right away. You can see I can no longer find it right there. They used to be at the top right there. So this is how you can be able to delete a WhatsApp group from your WhatsApp account. See you in our next upload. Bye.